Hello YouTubers, welcome to our channel. Third time round, Chrome Nomads. Here we are staying at the lovely Charlene Adulis place and doing a bit of work on the van while we're here. We've decided that we're going to change up the ramp. So this ramp, but obviously the over ramp to get the bikes into the back of the van. It's a bit steep when the ramp is all the way to the ground, so we need to put a second ramp on. And as you can see, this is the ramp we're going to attach. So we're in the middle of attaching the ramp now, as you can see. But this ramp's not going to be a detachable ramp. This one will be able to be permanently in place. It will flip over and be flat against the tailgate, and then the tailgate will go up. So we've upgraded. Over here, you see, is our old ramp. As you can see, it was a folding ramp. It's been really good for the last 12 months, and we've learnt a lot about what we need and what we require to get the bikes up on and into the van. And this ramp, it's pretty good. It's really sturdy for what it is, but in saying that, it does flex and wobble around quite a lot. So we thought, and also it's wide enough, but if you get stuck somewhere, something goes wrong, you need to put your feet down, this is the way to go. So I'll show you the finished product when we get there, but at the moment, this is what it looks like. And we're attaching it with hinges as we speak. So the hinges are in place, Frank's drilling necessary holes, and what will happen, it will flip up and then we'll lock it into place. So I'll show you a video as we progress. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we've done a bit of work today. It's taken a bit longer than we thought it was going to. A little bit of extra work was involved. It didn't go according to plan, but at the end the job looks great. Frank's done a wonderful job. A few modifications to this ramp. So these are two ramps that are bolted together underneath. I'll show you in a minute when we flip it up, and then it's attached to our tailgate. Now with Frank's help, I'll show you how we fold it up. Frank, would you like to give me a hand? Here we go. Hopefully I won't wobble too much with the camera. Alright, so here we go, up it goes, and over, and over, and down. Now this is what it looks like folded up. Okay, so pretty flat and flush, as you can see, to the ramp, so it's not going to impede into our space inside. And we're getting a couple of latches just to hold it securely in this location here. Excuse me for wobbling all over the place. So that'll hold it down there, a couple of latches, and then yeah, so we won't have to remove it. So better just wind it down, flip it over, and we can put the bikes in. Should be good. Oh yeah. We've had to wait till the batteries recharge to do more work and so forth. But no, it looks really great. This is aluminium, but as you can see, all the ribs make it nice and strong. This one will be a lot stronger than our last one. The last one was rated to just over around 300. This one is rated to nearly 400. So with the bike's weight and that, and then as you can see here, this is where Frank has joined them together so that the two ramps that we have become one. And then as you can see, we've attached them here. What was that?
So it's kind of like us, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Alright. Talk to you later. Bye. We'll show you from the inside when it's all completed. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Frank over here. We've finished our job. Okay, so the last things we needed to finish, these latches down here. Right, to hold this down in place so there's no bouncing around as we're travelling along, so it won't hit the back of the bikes. You can see that there. So you can see it sits nice and flat against our ramp, the tailgate. Alright, Frank's going to close up the tailgate. We'll see how it looks inside. see it all sits nice and tight up against the bottom of the thing. Okay, nice and flat. So we're all done. Okay, so that's what the back of our van inside looks like now. Okay, right everyone, remember to like and subscribe. Please subscribe.
Feel free to leave a comment too.
Yes, leave a comment, any suggestions, and maybe show us your setup if you've got something that is similar or different, or who knows. Everybody travels with different hobbies, so let us see your hobby and how you manage to fit that into your lifestyle as a grey nomad, or in our case, chrome nomads. Okay guys, talk to you later. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.